Welcome to the Nutrient Navigator channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of keto-friendly foods. Think you know your keto? We're about to find out. Get ready to test your knowledge and maybe, just maybe, learn a thing or two about eating healthier. Let's get this show on the road, shall we? First up, the avocado. Creamy, delicious, and packed with good fats. It's a no-brainer for keto. Next, we've got salmon, packed with omega-3s and protein. It's a lean, mean keto machine. Cheese, glorious cheese, zero carbs and bursting with flavor. Just watch out for those sneaky saturated fats. Broccoli, don't even think of overcooking it. Broccoli, your green, keto-friendly friend. Just don't you dare overcook it. We're after vibrant and crisp, not soggy and sad. Plain Greek yogurt, keto approval pending? Plain Greek yogurt, high in protein, but keep your eye on those carbs. Some brands are sneakier than others. Dark chocolate, keto indulgence or sugar bomb. Now for a treat. Dark chocolate, the higher the cocoa percentage, the better. None of that sugary rubbish. Olive oil, the heart-healthy hero of the keto kitchen. Ditch the processed junk and embrace the good fats. Zucchini, the master of disguise. Noodles, pasta, you name it, zucchini can handle it. Versatile and keto-friendly. Almonds, a great source of healthy fats and fiber, but don't go nuts. Portion control is key on keto. Soy milk, keto milk substitute. Soy milk, a decent plant-based option for keto, but make sure it's unsweetened. We're cutting back on sugar, remember? Shrimply irresistible on keto? Shrimp practically carb-free and packed with flavor. Grill 'em, sauté 'em, the possibilities are endless. Eggs. Cracking the keto code? Eggs, a keto staple. Protein powerhouses that'll keep you full and fueled throughout the day. Coconut oil, it's got its fans and its critics. High in saturated fat, but those MCTs can be a game changer for keto. Bell peppers, low in carbs and bursting with flavor. Add a splash of color and crunch to your keto creations. Macadamia nuts, low in carbs and oh so delicious. Just don't go overboard, they're rich, so savor the flavor. Cottage cheese, curdling your keto cravings? Cottage cheese is a good source of protein and calcium, but, watch those carbs. Some brands are sneakier than others. Pumpkin seeds, a keto seed of success. Pumpkin seeds are a satisfying and crunchy keto snack. Pack a handful for a healthy boost of nutrients. Sesame seeds, small but mighty. Packed with fiber and healthy fats, they're a welcome addition to any keto kitchen. Almond milk, another great plant-based option for keto. Just make sure it's unsweetened. We're not here for a sugar rush. Shirataki noodles, the low-carb answer to your pasta prayers. They might look a bit different, but they get the job done. Well, there you have it. You've survived Nutrient Navigator's Keto Culinary Boot Camp. Hopefully, you've learned a thing or two about making healthier choices and navigating the world of keto-friendly foods. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the kitchen. Now go forth and conquer those cravings with confidence. Oh, and before you go, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious and informative content. Until next time, keep it keto and keep it cooking.